Hello everyone, I'm Simo, Export Manager and CEO of the company Morocco Bags, wholesaler of backpacks. Today I want to show you our products. Let's start with the 3D range. We have 12 inch, 16 inch, trolley, 3 wheels, good quality trolley. We have a lunchbox, isotherm. We have a pencil case, 2 zips, different design for girls and boys. We have many different shapes. We have boys designs also, and the pencil case of course. We have also pastel colors with a fresh colors, special fabrics with other color, with a rigid base of trolley, big wheels, a big zip. We have also the license of Nickelodeon products, Warner Bros products. The box, 3 pieces in 1 box. Let's go inside the factory where the products are made. In Morocco Bags, we have 350 employers with the capacity of production of 4,000 pieces per day, dependent on the shape. Our primary concerns are the quality and customer satisfaction. We supervise each part in details to provide the products that meet customers' needs. Let's go to our warehouse. 4,500 square meter of warehouse, final products ready to ship, quick delivery.